Hey everyone, welcome back to Midwest Prime. In today's video, we're going to explore an exciting way to make money online using Flippa. Flippa is an online marketplace where you can buy and sell websites, domains, and apps. It's a fantastic platform for entrepreneurs and investors looking to enter the world of online business. Stick around as I guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Creating a Flippa account. Account creation. The first step is to create an account on Flippa. Head over to flippa.com and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details and verify your email address to get started. Step 2. Navigating Flippa. Navigating the platform. Once you're logged in, let's take a quick tour of the platform. Understand the different sections such as Buy, Sell, and Browse. Familiarize yourself with the filters and categories to find the best opportunities. Step 3. Setting your budget. Setting budget and preferences. Before diving in, determine your budget and preferences. Flippa offers a variety of listings, so knowing your financial limits and interests will help narrow down your choices. Step 4. Research and due diligence. Research and due diligence. Now, let's talk about due diligence. Investigate the website or app you're interested in. Look at traffic, revenue, and any potential issues. Flippa provides valuable data, so use it wisely to make informed decisions. Step 5. Placing a bid or making an offer. Offering. Once you've found a promising listing, it's time to make a move. Place a bid on an auction or make an offer if it's a fixed price listing. Be strategic in your approach and consider negotiating for the best deal. Step 6. Closing the deal. Closing the deal. Congratulations if your bid or offer is accepted. Now it's time to finalize the deal. Follow Flippa's procedures for payment and transfer of assets. This step is crucial, so ensure everything is transparent and secure. Step 7. Website takeover. Taking over the website. After the deal is closed, it's time to take control. Work with the seller to transfer all necessary assets, including the domain and website files. Make sure to update any relevant information, such as hosting and analytics settings. Step 8. Improvement and optimization. Improving your investment. Now that you're in charge, focus on improving the website. Implement changes to enhance user experience, optimize for search engines, and explore ways to increase revenue. This step is where your skills and creativity can shine. Step 9. Building value. Building value for resale. Thinking long-term. Consider building value in the website before selling it. Increase traffic, revenue, and overall performance. A well-maintained and profitable site will attract more buyers and potentially fetch a higher price. Conclusion, and there you have it. A step-by-step guide on making money online from Flippa. Remember, success on Flippa requires research, diligence, and a bit of strategic thinking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.